cloning is the creation of a genetical identical copy of an existing or previous existing human being, or growing clone tissue from that individual. This is done by the removal of a nucleus from a human cell. Then you transfer the nucleus from the original cell to a new fertile female cell. The cell, through electronical stimulation, can be grown into an embryo, then put into the uterus. If the cell continues to birth, the genetic material will be made the same as the person the cells were taken from. Human cloning can be important to society through research of cell division and other tests drawn when humans are cloned. Can help the world find a cure to cancer and other bad diseases. Many people also think that cloning humans can reverse heart attacks. Infertile couples that can't have kids would be allowed to. Cloning would also be important because you could clone organs if someone is seriously hurt and needs a heart or liver. On February 27, 2003, U.S. representatives banned human cloning, but California was the first state to take action about this issue by banning reproductive cloning in 1997, a year after Dolly, the first cloned sheep, was cloned. Since 1997, 15 states have joined with California, such as our own state, Maryland. The first human clone was said to be cloned in South Korea in 1998, but then said the experiment was interrupted. Then, in 2002, a group named CloneAid made the first human clone named Eve, but when scientists asked to research this, they were denied. Pros to cloning, such as eliminating defective genes. These illnesses are not the leading killers of people today, but they will be soon. Scientists are scared that with reproductive rate dramatically increasing, that these defective genes will increase and kill more people. The second pro to human cloning is it will help cure cancer. This process has already been used in the UK with a man with skin cancer was treated by injecting multiple amounts of his own immune cells. Last pro to human cloning will remove the infertility rate and allow couples that are not able to have kids to be able to clone their own baby without going through the infertility treatment, which sometimes doesn't work. Cons to human cloning are things like the possibility of faster aging. Because the cell being used to clone would be older, it would affect the embryo. This could make the clone die much faster and have premature aging problems. Another con to human cloning is reduced sense of overall life. This would have a big effect on society and make humans feel like a raw material that can be replaced and fixed. There would also be grouping and other society problems in the world. For example, if cloning is easy and you did not think that your son was smart, you could clone a perfect son and give him the best genes to be perfect. Last con to human cloning, there would be a less unique way of humans to be different. There would also be a more perfect society where everyone is the same. The Catholic Church says that human cloning is immoral. Consider the Vatican's 1987 Instructions on Respect for Human Life and its Origin and on the Dignity of Procreation. This chapter, in my mind, sums up by saying that God created humans to have great value and worth. In cloning, us humans are creating humans with no worth and no value. The church believes that we need to keep the creating humans to God and not let other humans do that. The Catholic Church also disagrees with cloning because many human embryos have been destroyed in this process. So these scientists are using very young life to create an even younger human clone.